Now that is one amazing looking hook, isn't it? Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. So, got something cool to show you today. I got some hooks from my favorite hook maker that I've ever come across. Brian Nelson from Nelson Wood Hooks. I highly recommend him. I do have quite a few of his hooks, and I'll put a link below to his all his stuff, his website, and whatnot. But he makes some outstanding hooks that he turns himself. Do you guys want to see what's in the box? Let's check it out, shall we? I'm always excited to see Brian's hooks because he does such marvelous, fantastic work. I can't say enough good about him. Let's see what we got up in here. Okay. All right. Okay. First off, here is his card, Nelson Wood. Handcrafted crochet hooks. Here's all his deets, which I will put all that stuff below if you can. Make sure you give him a follow on Instagram, and you can keep up with him if you have Instagram, and see all of his nice hooks he always shows pictures of. Ooh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty right there. Beautiful, beautiful. And we got Spirit in the Woods with, I can never pronounce the wood grains, but with green tamarind and bloodwood rings. All right. And this is a J. J is my favorite, and it's marked. You can get them where he will stamp them or not stamp them. It really depends. And his hooks are inline hooks, as you can see there. They got that sharp, deep groove in them. Look at this. How pretty is this? Spirit in the Woods. That is one beautiful, beautiful hook. Beautiful work, Brian. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Very nice. They always come in these nice, well packed, in these little vials here. See that? Very nice. Let's look at the next one. This is a burstone hook. This is turquoise with a blue holly ends. Beautiful. There's my J marking. It's the mark of the Bagoday. It's the mark of the J. Isn't that pretty? Look at that up close. That's beautiful. The wood, the blue holly ends. That's right? Yeah, blue holly. There's your inline right there. Nice work there on that one. Okay, I also contacted Brian, and I asked him, hey, can you make me a special hook? Of course, he said he'd give it a go. I said, how about maybe I send you some yarn and you try to cast it, and then like cast it inside some clear casting, and then see what it looks like. So I sent him some yarn, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, this is yarn in pearl with cocobolo. I think that's what it says, ends. All right, so let's see what it looks like, shall we? There's yarn. That's yarn in there. That's cool. That is super, super cool. Look at the end on that. So I wasn't sure what style yarn to send him because I didn't know what, I didn't know anything about casting or anything. So I sent him yarn that was thick, rainbow yarn, and I sent him sparkly yarn and whatnot. And I told him to cut it up and just try it out, whatever worked best. That is cool. That is super, super cool. Look, it's sparkly. You can see the yarn pieces and oh my gosh, if I broke my hook, I'm going to be sad. Look at that. Oh, it's by far my favorite. That is so cool because, it's my favorite. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see it quite well. The yarn pieces inside of it. And so he put all the colors in there. Red up, orange. Look at that. Yes, I'm trying to think of the yarn that I sent him, and I'm trying to determine which one he used for this particular hook. But I can't tell. I can't tell which one he used, actually. But that is one cool hook with yarn in it, isn't it? And he casted it in, what do you say he casted it in? Pearl. So it's yarn and it's casted in pearl. So the pearl's probably what's making it sparkly. That's a beautiful hook. Oh my goodness. There's it ends. That yarn is so awesome up in there. I like it. Nice job, Brian. You met my expectations and blew past them. I could go on and on about this one. That is super cool. I think he might have used I'm just guessing here, Red Heart Super Saver stripes in the color primary. Maybe. That would be my guess. But I sent him several different flavors of yarn that he, like I said, that he could try because I didn't know when he, what would work or not. And I told him to just cut it up and use it. Whatever would work. I love it. This is now my favorite Nelson wood hook that I own because I know inside there, and you can see it quite well, and it's sparkly from the pearl, is yarn pieces. And if I hold it up to the light, it's brighter, isn't it? Oh, you can see them through the light. That is so cool. I guess I should have turned that light on before. I love this one. Excellent, excellent job, Brian, on that hook. You guys, you got to get one of these. That is so cool. All right, I'm going on about the yarn hook. The yarn hook. If you do have the means, tell Brian, hit him up and say, I want the yarn hook. He'll know what you're talking about. And you know what? The yarn that he's going to use to make the hook will probably be the yarn that I sent him. So it'll be Bagoday yarn inside the hook. Isn't that cool? Not really, I guess. It's just... That's a pretty hook. I love this one. This is my favorite. Nice job, Brian. Thank you very, very much for that. Thank you for everything. Thank you for accommodating my request on this yarn hook. I think that it turned out amazing. I love it a lot. I'm going to stick that back in the capsule. This one is, yes, I own a lot of Nelson wood hooks. I own quite a few. 25 more maybe, but this is probably yes, it has to be topped out of one. Probably my one. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one because that yarn up in there, that yarn that I sent him, is super cool. I love the wood that he put on the ends, and it's marked with the J, the mark of Bagoday. Thanks everybody for watching. Remember, you check out Brian, okay? And if you enjoy this hook as much as me, hit him up and say, I want that yarn hook from Bagoday. Bagoday showed. He'll hook you up. If not, he has so many pretty hooks on his site. Check them all out. Birthstones. All kinds of stuff that he's doing. So check him out. Hit him up. Follow him on Instagram if you can. He always shows such beautiful hooks on there that he's working on. And check out his website. for all his pricing and everything like that. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Brian, excellent. Thank you very much. Bye guys.